Hello, this is Ijaz and I welcome you in my YouTube channel which is Graphics with Miller. Today I am going to discuss with you some properties and some shapes and making shapes by using pen tool in Adobe Photoshop. It is very easy process for doing so in Adobe Photoshop. For example, if I take new layer, I delete this object first. Now I am in a new layer and I create a shape by using shape tool like this way. This is my shape because this option is set on a shape. If I delete this shape and I change this option into path, now I can see only path is available on my screen. I can change this path into shape by using shape tool. If I click on a shape tool, I can see other options are available on property bar in Adobe Photoshop. I can easily change to shape. I can easily change into selection and mask also, but this time mask is unavailable for this object. If I take new layer, then mask button is available. Mask button not working on background layer because background layer is a lock layer and we have two or more layers for using this way. I can change this path into shape by using some setting. If I select this path and select shape tool and change into shape option, now I can see this option or this object or this path now converted into a proper shape. And you can also see a shape layer in layer panel. A button which help you in a shape tool to change the color of the shape. The color of shape may also change from this side, but you have to press Alt backspace button to change the color. But if you want to change the color live, then select shape tool, select your shape first, shape tool, select shape tool and change this option from path to shape. No color properties available for this object. I can easily change the color of this object like in this way. I can move this shape because fill and stroke available in this object. Photoshop provide best parameters and provide best properties panels for shapes. If you want to see the properties relating this shape, you can click on shape tool, click this option, more option, you can see this setting. Click on this side, you can change the stroke alignment into center, outside or inside. Caps also available, round cap, butt cap or square cap. Meter also available in this way, which is used for the corners. I can also use this setting for my stroke. If I change stroke setting, click OK. First, change this setting and increase the size. You can easily see the stroke change. Stroke setting may also readjust. Click OK. If you want to keep the setting for next time or for a next object that you are going to create, then delete this object, create new object by using pen tool or by using shape tool. I have closed my path, my shape is available. You can see. If I click on this setting, I have also these options again available for this object. Delete this object and create a shape by using shape tool. Shape settings available for us to modify the object at any time. Object may be modified by using path panel. Path panel by default available in essential layer side, layer, channel and path. Here you can see the path. Select the path. These settings are available for us to delete new path and to change into selection and again convert into path. Path may also change into shape. If I click on a path, then layer, new fill solid, click OK, you can easily see that it no change into a shape. Delete this layer also, create a new layer. I can also save my shapes that I have created with shape tool or a pen tool in library, and I can use them for my later work. How I can save shapes that I have created with my pen tool or a shape tool? Let's see. If I create shape by using a pen tool like this, first change this setting into shape. I have created a rough shape with no meaning, and I want to save this shape into my library. Then right click on it. But you must keep in mind that your pen tool must be selected or a shape tool. Right click on it, define custom shape, change the name of shape, change name, what do you want, or change the name according to the shape appearance. Click OK. Now this shape is available in my library files. I am going to delete this shape. Select shape tool, click for a while on this tool and click custom shape. Now custom shape panels and settings available for me on properties bar. This button is available to load a shape from my libraries like this. Shape tool is selected from this side. I can change color also. So in this way I can easily I can easily do shapes, change the color and save in my library files. Adobe Photoshop offers many ways to create shape by using pen tool, by using shape tool. Shape tool contains many features, like if I use Pathfinder like tool that I was using Adobe Illustrator, I can also use it. Shape tools also provide features like that. Here are these features. If I click subtract from this side and I drag and make a shape, it will subtract this. You can easily see the difference. Copy paste also work. For example, copy paste. ठीक है नहीं मुझे change this setting. This time you can see in copy paste subsection or intersection is not working, but by creating new shape by using shape tool it works. So thank you so much for watching my video content. If you like my video content, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.